severe thunderstorm was located over Great Wood, or near Richmond, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, public. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Western Pearland, Sugar Land, Missouri City, Eastern Rosenberg, Stafford, Richmond, Town West, Pecan Grove, First Colony, Fresno, Mission Bend, Meadows Place, Arcola, Thompsons, Westbury, New Territory, Westwood, Four Corners, Alief, and West Chase. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 54